Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you multiple ways to fix this error. If you're getting this error while connecting to your host machine, you are at the right place. Today I'm going to show you multiple ways to fix it. So let's get started. Make sure that your PC is turned on and you are connected to the same network. Now let's go to the host machine. We have to enable a few settings. Now let's move to method number 1. Go to the Start menu, type Remote Desktop Settings, and click on it. Over here, make sure Remote Desktop is enabled. A prompt will appear while enabling this option. Hit Confirm. Now check if your problem is resolved. If it is not, go to method number 2. In method number 2, we are going to enable firewall settings for remote desktop. Go to the Start menu, type Allow Apps through Windows Firewall. Click on it to open. Over here, scroll down, and in the name column, search for the option for Remote Desktop. Make sure that both public and private options are checked. They're already checked in my case. So press OK and close this tab. One more thing I would like to add is that in order to connect to the remote machine, we need the IP address of that host machine. So let's go and find out the correct IP address. Open Command Prompt. Type ipconfig and hit Enter. In my case, I am connected over a Wi-Fi network. So I will look for the Wi-Fi IP address. If your host machine and control machine are connected via Ethernet, make sure to use the Ethernet IP address. Remember this IP address of your host machine. Guys, we are back to our remote machine. After configuring the host PC, we want to take control from a remote location. Now we will open Remote Desktop. Go to Start, type Remote Desktop. Here type the computer name or IP address of the host machine that we noted during the configuration. In username, we will type the host PC username. Click on Show Options. Now let's type in the correct IP address of our remote machine. Type in the correct username of your remote machine. In my case, it was remote. Moreover, I have created a detailed video on how to set up a remote desktop connection and find the correct username of your host machine. Check the link in the description below. After typing the correct IP address and username, click the option Connect. You can see that we are now connected to the network. We just have to enter the right credentials or password to get remote access to our host PC. Type the correct password and hit OK. A pop-up for certificate verification will appear. Press Yes. Now you can see that we have taken control of our host machine from a remote location. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. I will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.